Hey guys, welcome back. Today has been quite the adventure. I got up fairly early today. My neighbor, RJ, offered to take me to see the local waterfalls here in Puerto. Kawa Falls is the name of them. Well, it was quite the journey getting here. Let's rewind and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
We left the house somewhere around 9 or 10 a.m. My neighbor RJ hopped on the bike and we hit the road. Quick stop for the necessities, like, beer, and then we're back on the road. If you are a motorcycle enthusiast, or even better yet, a dual sport enthusiast, you'll probably love the Philippines. Many of the highways are super twisty and curvy. And then once you get off the highways, you find rocky, muddy, sandy trails, or little tiny footpaths through the jungle. It really is a dual sport heaven. After about 45-50 minutes or so, we finally found the entrance we were looking for. Oops, wrong turn. We got lost a couple of times along the way, but this place isn't easy to find, not even for locals. So we turned around and kept looking. I'll talk more about this a later time, but no matter what country you're in, you really have to exercise extreme caution when you're on a motorcycle. These two riders collided head on when one of them sped around a blind corner. You really got to be on your A game. Can't tell in the video, but many of these rocks were the size of a softball, so it was kind of technical at times. These little trails are endless, and they're literally everywhere. You never know what you're going to find around the next corner. If you happen to take part in any activity like this, especially in the Philippines, I highly recommend you try to do your hiking early in the morning when it's still cool. We arrived at this point about midday, and it's June now, so it was literally like an oven. Middle of the jungle, no wind, insanely hot. Make sure you bring plenty of extra water. When we finally saw the water, it was a beautiful sight. I was super exhausted. I forgot to eat anything before we left, so I was literally like shaking. My companions, I don't think they even broke a sweat, but me, I'm pretty sure it looked like I was about to die. I'm not really used to this level of heat.
Yeah, ipasa mo repeat. Yeah, ipasa mo repeat. Magbubunga kat darok ng ngurok. Matabi malamang.
After a quick swim to cool off, we grilled some fresh fish and sat around and had a few drinks.
Pakisama makisindi. Pinisan ko pa? Hindi na. Wag na. Salang agad. Sige, ihaw mo. Ilang beses kami napaway sa tiki. Tanginang yun. Kasama ko siya. Kapalaban din. Ha? Hindi. Siksikan.
After lunch, we spent the next couple of hours swimming, jumping off the rocks, just having a good time. You probably can't tell from the video, but many of these rocks were covered in a super slippery layer of moss, so I kind of tiptoed along as to not involuntarily end up back at the bottom. I didn't realize the terrain was going to be quite on this level, so I wore flip-flops like everybody else. But they didn't make it. One of the straps broke about halfway through, so I had the wonderful opportunity of hiking back barefoot. I think a pair of lightweight tennis shoes or hiking shoes would have been a better idea. Now, I had a super awesome time today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, and shared it with your friends. I'll see you guys next time.